Do you want to increase the revenue of your business without getting more traffic? Then you need to boost your average order value. In this video, I'm going to show you top proven ways that top Shopify brands use to boost theirs and how you can implement them for you and your store. I'm Blake Yeboah, founder of Futuremerce, where we help Shopify brands with their design and development needs, and today's video is all about squeezing as much value out of every one of your customers. AOV is essentially the average amount of money that a customer spends per order. The higher your AOV, the more revenue you're likely to make. I'm going to break down 7 different tactics that you can try to boost your AOV. Let's get straight into it. The first tactic we're going to be talking about is product recommendations. Product recommendations is essentially recommending related products on your product display pages. The key thing with product recommendations is making sure they're highly relevant to your user and to the product that they're displayed on. You've probably seen tons of stores online that have random related product sections that probably don't convert that well. Very, very important that you recommend products that people buying the product that you're on are very likely to also want to purchase. As an example, selling a laptop bag with a laptop makes sense. To actually implement product recommendations on your store, you can use a free option like Shopify's free search and discovery app. You could also opt for a paid option like Rebuy that has powerful AI-powered personalization features like product recommendations. The next tactic we're going to be talking about is upsells. Upselling is essentially selling a higher-end version of your existing product or selling additional items on top of your existing product. This can be done either post-purchase or in the cart while the user is still browsing your site. As for how to implement this on your store, you can use an app like One-Click Upsells by Shopify. You can also custom build so that it fits your unique use case. The next tactic we're going to be talking about is bundling products. Bundling products essentially means selling multiple products as one in a bundle. The key thing with bundling is making sure your products are related and would want to be purchased together by the customer. To actually implement bundles on your store, you can either use a free option like Shopify Bundles, or choose from one of the many other bundle apps available in the App Store. This will just depend on your use case and what you're planning on doing with it. The fourth tactic we're going to be talking about is cross-sells. Cross-sells are essentially cross-selling complementary products to the product that your user is trying to buy. As an example, if you're selling a razor, you might want to cross-sell shaving cream. I recommend putting cross-sells on PDPs near the Add to Cart button. If you're wondering how to implement this for your store, again, go to the Shopify App Store, look up cross-sells. You can generally use the same app for your upsells, bundling, and cross-sells. As with all these tactics that we've been sharing, the main idea is to try to get your user to add more to cart to increase their order value. The next tactic we're going to be talking about is adding free shipping thresholds. This is essentially saying to your customer, hey, spend $75 and you get free shipping. The main purpose behind this is to obviously motivate the user to spend that $75 so they then get free shipping. In terms of how you can implement this on your store, you can use an app like Free Shipping Bar by Hexcom, or you can have it custom built for your specific store. As for the location of your store where you'll genuinely show this to the user, I highly recommend putting it in the cart so that way when they're viewing their cart, they can see a progress bar of how close they are to free shipping, and that's much more likely to motivate them to add more to their cart. The penultimate tactic we're going to be talking about is tiered discounts. Tiered discounts are essentially saying things like buy 2, get 10% off, buy 3, get 15% off, and again, the main purpose of this is to try to get the user to buy more. They can be automatically set up as discounts in Shopify if the discounts already applied, and then you can add a section on product pages that actually tell the user about this so they're then more likely to add more to their cart. The last tactic we're going to be talking about is a free gift with purchase. This essentially works by getting your user to spend a certain amount of money, and when they do that, they get a free gift. The main purpose behind this is motivating your user to spend that amount of money so that they can then get their free gift. For example, spend $50, get a free gift. When implementing this strategy, I highly recommend you promote it on product pages, in the cart, and in the announcement bar as well to make sure the users are aware that spending this amount of money will get them a free gift. That way, they're much more likely to add more to cart so they can get their gift. If you're looking to further improve your AOV, I'll include a link in the description to a downloadable AOV optimization checklist, which includes some additional strategies not mentioned in this video that you can try out. I don't recommend implementing every tactic that we've just shown you. Not all of them may work, some of them will, some of them won't, depending on you and your business, so it's important to test different ones out and see what works the best. If you're looking at implementing any of these strategies for your store and you're not sure how, you can use the link in the description to book a free discovery call with Futuremerce, and I'm sure our team can help you out. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one.